Hey guys! Welcome again to the Healthy Diet Daily YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing some quick tips on how to effectively start healthy eating. This is for anybody who wants to simply eat better or begin a healthier lifestyle through nutritious everyday meals. So where and how exactly do you begin to start healthy eating? Let's find out. Number 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables than you normally do. Start with the ones that you like and enjoy eating, then start adding variety as time goes by. If you're not fond of produce, snacking healthy is the great starting point for you. Try snacking on nuts, seeds, whole grain bread, low-fat yogurt, or dried fruits and see how you feel. Number 2. Focus on nutrient density. Nutrient density is the amount of nutrients, which are the carbs, fat, protein, and vitamins and minerals in food in relation to the calories it provides. Shift your focus away from counting calories, and while calories are important, your primary concern should be the nutrients. Remember, all food contains calories, but not all are nutrient dense. Number 3. Remove highly processed foods from your diet. Highly processed foods are factory-made foods created only to excite your taste buds, but not to nourish your body. Just know that not all processed food is bad for you. Frozen veggies and oatmeal, for example, are also processed but are still beneficial to your diet. It's food like candy, sugary cereals, mass-produced baked goods, soda, and junk foods, among others, are the ones that you want to avoid. If you can't read, recognize, or pronounce ingredients on a label, shelf it. Number 4. Cook more and practice meal prepping. Cooking your own meals allows you to be creative and experiment with your food and puts you in charge of the ingredients you use so you know what exactly you're putting in your body. If you're super busy, you can cook a big batch of a healthy recipe at a convenient time and enjoy it for a number of meals throughout the week. And number 5. Eat when you're hungry. When it comes to healthy eating, it's important to connect to your natural hunger signals. Eating according to a clock or a diet plan gets us out of our touch with our biological signals and is often the reason why many beginners fail to maintain healthy eating habits. Once you are connected to your natural hunger signals, maintaining healthy eating habits will be easy and effortless.